Adjective placement in sentences. A quick grammar lesson. Adjectives can appear in different places within a sentence, depending on their role in describing a noun or pronoun. The two main positions are before the noun, which is called an attributive adjective. For example, I'm a happy hippo. And after a linking verb, which is called a predicative adjective. For example, he seems happy. Let's go into a little more detail. An adjective can go before the noun or pronoun. These are called attributed adjectives. This is the most common placement, where the adjective directly precedes the noun it describes. For example, I'm a strong man. The adjective strong describes the noun man. And look at my delicious dinner, where the adjective delicious describes the noun dinner. An adjective can come after a linking verb to describe the subject of the sentence. These are called predicative adjectives. In this case, the adjective follows a linking verb such as be, seem, feel, or become. Instead of directly modifying the noun, the adjective provides information about the subject of the sentence. For example, I am homeless. The adjective homeless follows the linking verb be to describe the subject. My car looks amazing. The adjective amazing follows the linking verb look to describe the subject. Here's a list of verbs that can be used with predicative adjectives, but only when they act as linking verbs in the sentence. Appear, be, become, feel, get, grow, look, prove, remain, seem, smell, sound, stay, taste, and turn. For example, I grew old. He seems tired. And finally, an adjective can come after the noun it describes in certain expressions or formal language. These are called postpositive adjectives. These are more common with pronouns and often occur when the noun is implied or omitted. For example, something wonderful happened today. The adjective wonderful describes the indefinite pronoun something. Someone special is calling. The adjective special describes the indefinite pronoun someone. That's all for now. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.